Hi guys, welcome to Youinvesting. How are you doing? So today in this video we'll discuss about little about this TradingView platform. On this platform we can check all the chart, all the price movements, the current price movements, and we can also study, we can also detect what would be the future price movement. So for example, if you can see that this is a Ethereum US dollar chart, and right now this is a daily chart wherein we can see that the Ethereum is in downtrend with some volumes, because the volume here is greater than the previous candle, or you can say the today's volumes are greater than yesterday's volume, and the price is also correcting by somewhat like 8.68%. So it's quite a healthy correction, we can say, in this Ethereum. And similarly, when we say Bitcoin, again there is a good correction with some good volumes when you compare with Bitcoin. As you can see, we have minus 0.06 uh, percentage. Bitcoin is down. And when you see dogecoin, here you can see the volumes are very low, very low. And when you see 27th May, yesterday's volume, you can easily see that the volumes are 75.392 million, and when you see today's volume, it's 89, only 10 million more than yesterday's volume, but not a good healthy volume when we do the comparisons. So let's see another chart, another time frame wherein we can see the real movement of these prices. So let's switch to 5-minute chart. In this 5-minute chart, you will see the price is actually increasing and decreasing quite fastly. Here you can see, there you see the price is increasing 3 point sorry 0.315 now, and 0.3149 now. This is a different candle, this is a doji, this is a different candle, this is inverted hammer, this is again a different candle. So all these candles, whatever you are seeing, all these are like different candles all together. Here you can see the price is again increasing, and it's 0.3152, but the problem here is the volumes are not increasing. When you see uh, the volumes of this particular candle, and when you compare this volume with previous candle, the volumes are quite low. So this shows us that the price will correct again from this particular level, because there is a doji, as well as the volumes are not increasing when the price is going up. So let's see what happens. uh, it's 0.3150 at let's say 11 p.m. and according to me it should correct now in another couple of candles, because the prices is increasing but the volumes are not increasing. So let's wait and watch. Yes, the price is showing some movement in the upwards direction, but the volumes are quite low. Also, another factor that we should consider here is if the price or the volume or the candle close near the top, that means it's again a bullish candle, or means a upward candle. But if the candle, the closing part is below the half size of the candle, it's somewhere like near here, or let's say here, just below the half of this particular candle, therein we can predict that the downtrend will start soon. I think this candle, oh, see, we are having a red candle now. The price is going up, but the volumes are quite low, as you can see here, and the price is starting to decrease. And same thing generally happens in all kind of charts. When you see here, the volume increased, the price goes up, but in the next candle itself, the volume starts decreasing and the price was increasing, so there was a drop. Again, there was a drop. So we were talking about here only, the price is increasing. If price has to move up, then in this candle, this price should show some good volumes when you compare with this candle. Generally, what happens when you pick the trade, always trade with a higher time frame, not with a smaller time frame. So when we say time frame means daily time frame, or maybe monthly time frame, weekly time frame. All these are like time frame. Whenever you read the charts, always read on a higher time frame, monthly, weekly, or daily, or let's say 4 hour or chart, or maybe 1 hour chart. When you switch to 1 minute chart, or let's say 5 minute chart, 15 minute chart, these smaller time frame generally gives us the false indication. Okay, yeah. So as we predicted that the volumes were lower here, so now the price is already corrected, and I can say that it will again move back to somewhat this level, 0.03122. So this is so that's how you actually read the charts. You read the price movement. So now one more important thing that you can learn here is the price is correcting here and the volume is actually increasing when you compare with the previous candle. Yes, the volumes are increasing here now. So that means people are now selling at this particular level. They have sensed it. They have already got 0.0312, 0.150, almost like 0.005 US dollars of profit. So they are selling their uh, coins and they are booking their profits. So this is one thing that I wanted to show. Uh, Another thing, that was importance of, can say, having a indicator. So for example, right now you're at this point, but you are not able to detect what is the actual movement, what will be the movement of this particular price. So there are some indicators through which you can you can predict, but not fully predict what would be the movement. So there are various indicators that are there listed in this particular library here in TradingView. So first one is relative strength index. Mostly people call it RSI. So when you apply this, you will see it like this. Oops, there are two RSI. Yeah. So this is a RSI, relative strength index. This index tells you about or shows you about the real movement of the price. As we detected without this RSI that from here on the price will correct, and you can also see that price is actually correcting here, and the RSI is also telling us the same thing. And when you compare all the price movement, once the RSI has showed us that I am with little lower volumes, and this is a doji candle, and then there is a good upwards trend. When you see this trend, almost like point $1 kind of a upward trend. So if you're working on a smaller time frame, that would be really very tough for you to actually predict what would be the movement, because the movement generally um, because the movement is always fast here. People say that lower time frame generally gives us the false about the 15 minutes chart. This is a 15-minute chart. Yeah, so here in this 15-minute chart you can see that the price is going confidently up, but yes, again the volumes are quite low, and the RSI is also showing us that the price is going up. So this is again a confirmation that yes, by checking the volume or by checking the shape of the candle, we predicted that the price will go up, and the RSI is also telling us the price is going up. That's a good sign for us. Now let's switch to, let's say, 30 minutes or maybe let's say 1 hour chart. You will also notice that when you change the chart, or when you change the time frame, the candles are changing here, because a 1 hour chart has 4 15 minutes candle in it. A 1 hour chart has 20 sorry 12 5 minutes candle in it. Yeah, so here you can see that this is a Marubozu candle. The price is actually going up from here on, and the RSI is going up. So this is a 1 hour chart for us. So for again for let's say for another 1 hour, the price mm, will go up, and after that we can see a drop again. So this was the RSI indicator for you. Another indicator that we can use here is a VWAP indicator, that volume weighted average. So here you can see VWAP. So we can just little bit change the settings here so that we can have a clear crystal view of the VWAP. If the prices are like above VWAP with some good volumes, we can take that trade. Just like here, the prices are going up when you see the VWAP thing, and when it comes below the VWAP, we can sell, or maybe we can look for a downtrend then. So when you combine two indicators, let's say VWAP or RSI together, you will get a more accurate kind of a price action or price movement. So it's always advisable to combine couple of indicators together, or let's say price action together, price, volume, RSI, or maybe VWAP together, a combination, so that you can have a clear picture about the trend of that particular price. See, you can see here the volumes are increasing here, and the prices are also in going up, the VWAP, and there from here on we can see the uptrend. Now the volumes are drying up here and the price is also going below the VWAP, so we have a little short duration of a downtrend. So let's talk about a daily chart, or you can say 4-hour chart. One thing that I would like to share is when you go with the higher time frame, you will see less candles in that particular chart. So for example, if we say daily chart, this is how your daily chart looks like. In daily chart, we have a clear indication from RSI that we are in downtrend. So you can see that the prices are again falling here, and it might fell till this point. This is a good point. This can be a support zone here at 143 level. This can be a good support zone from wherein the price can bounce back towards a new point. This was the support, and you can see that prices are again and again bouncing back from this particular support line. The prices came from downtrend. They tried to touch this and they again went up. So this is how the support works. So when you combine, uh, I'm just writing here so that you can also note it down somewhere. So when you combine a couple of indicators, so when you combine multiple confirmations together, like indicators like RSI, VWAP, and there are thousands of indicators that are available on this particular TradingView platform, but too much indicators means too much kiosk. So we generally use only couple of indicators that are best for us. So always try to learn, let's say 4 or 5 or let's say 10 indicators, but always use only 2 or 3 maximum. So when you combine indicators with, let's say, price action, can say size of the candle or the type of candle, plus volumes, so you will get a clear idea where the price is going. And always try to use the higher time frame. So when we say higher time frame, means daily, weekly, or monthly, or you can use 1 hour chart or maybe 4 hour chart. So that's how you actually uh, educate yourself or maybe plan your trade so that you can have more conviction towards your trade, or maybe you have more conviction before taking any trade. So this was a daily chart, and when we switch to the weekly chart, we see this chart like this. See, again on our support, the price came from almost like 4 times. The price was 4 times, or you can say 3.5 times, and it landed on our support and then went up. So when you see the weekly trend of a particular Litecoin, it's a good trend, it's a healthy trend of upwards. And let's see what happens here in the next couple of days. Let's see what's the trend. See, again in the Bitcoin as well, landed on our support line, and the trend here as well is a upwards trend in the weekly chart. And when we see the daily chart of Bitcoin, it's again a downward trend. It might happen that Bitcoin will touch our first support, that is 34151, and after that it can also touch 30286, but these are quite a strong support line. So once the price touches these lines, it should go up. Now let's talk about Ripple, RXP, XRP, sorry. So this is quite a good support. The price came back here and bounced back again like this and again like this, and you can now see that the prices are again trying to come to our support level, but with lower volumes. The RSI is stating that the price is downwards. And let's talk about the weekly chart of XRP. My bad. It's again just like the Ethereum or Bitcoin. It's again in the upward trend. Let's talk about Litecoin. All these charts are quite identical, I should say. Again, a upward trend, and I believe in Doge as well. You can see the upward trend. Here in Doge, you just can't see any type of candle because the price movement was quick. Was quite quick. But here you can see some candles are there in the dogecoin. So this is a good support zone for Doge, wherein Doge should come and should go up from here on. So these were the 4 things I wanted to discuss today. I hope you like this video. Please share this in your network with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon so that you don't miss any video. And if you like the content, if you have any queries regarding volumes or maybe indicators, join our training workshop. Also, you can share your views in the comment section below. Our team will get back to you with more details on both the trainings as well as on the and will reply on your comment. Try to create another video for you, because our channel is for people, by the people, driven by the people. We always create the content based on the people's suggestion. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Take care.